Look at them. Look at you.
Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I go by the Fashion Doll. Today's video is a Louis Vuitton unboxing. If y'all know, you know. You know your girl love Louis Vuitton. It's my favorite designer. It is Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all the moms. So this is a Mother's Day gift to myself that I picked out. So I got this a month ago when I was in Miami at the Miami Designer District. So it's a luxury area. They got, you know, tons of luxury stores over there if you ever been. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got. It's gonna be a really quick unboxing. So y'all, this was like a blindside buy. I seen this item on TikTok. It just popped up on my For You page and I was like, oh my God, I gotta have them. I've been looking for some glasses like these for the longest because your girl can't see. And I was like, I need some cute shades that I can get my script in. Well, it's cute glasses that I can get my script in. And these were it. So they didn't wrap my box or anything, y'all. Louis Vuitton is horrible when it comes to packaging. It depends on where you go, but no bow. This is the case. And I did get my initials hot stamped on my case. And I ended up getting this hot stamped at my Louis Vuitton store because I wasn't sure if I was going to keep the glasses or not. I was just trying to, you know, I just wanted to get a feel like, are these for me or not? And I was like, yeah, it's a go. So I went back to the store and I got it hot stamped. So they do come with a little dust bag. They did not come with like a glass cleaner cloth or anything, which I felt like they should have. So these are the glasses, y'all. And the name of these glasses are called My Monogram Anti-Blue Light Glasses. The details, it's the details for me. Do y'all see that? The LV logo on the side. Oh my God, how cute. And then if y'all can see that LV print, the little gold details, black. Oh, these are so freaking cute, y'all. So these retailed for $530. So cute. So cute. I cannot wait to get my script in these. Yeah, 500 and... Wait a minute, y'all. Did they have a price increase already? Because these say $530 online. And when I got them, I paid $520. So they done had a price increase already. So they went up $10 more because my receipt literally says $520. And with tax, it was $36.40. So my total was $556.40. So I can't believe they done had a price increase already. That's crazy. Can y'all see that? And I'm telling y'all, on my receipt, it says, I don't know if y'all can see that on the receipt. It says $520. So they had another price increase. That's crazy. So this is what they look like on the side. They are really cute. They are very like heavy. Like the material is heavy, but it's not like heavy to the point where, you know, it's heavy on your face, but the quality is really good. It doesn't feel like flimsy or cheap or anything. So I am happy with that. And I think I got it in, I know they come in like East or West, and I got it in East. Yeah, because I think at the end it will have a E. Yep. So yeah, I got it in East. So I'm assuming it's different sizes. I don't know what's the difference between the East or the West, but she told me to try both of them on in stores, and they both pretty much, you know, felt the same to me. But I really like these glasses. I think they're so freaking cute. I just cannot wait to wear my glasses because the glasses I have now, I really don't wear them as much because you know, they're not really stylish. So by these being cute and stylish, I can see myself wearing my glasses all the time. What do y'all think? Do y'all like them? They look cute on me. And excuse my shirt, y'all. If y'all see food or stains on my shirt, it's Mother's Day. Your girl been eating. I've been throwing down, so that's why. But yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it for this unboxing. This is a really, like I said, quick unboxing. These are really cute. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me know what you think about the anti-blue glasses. I will see you guys in my next video.